This seems like a good spot to start the video. Hey everybody, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm on Lake Ontario chasing lake trout with the jig. This is a bite that I've been working on for the past few years and starting to get it pretty dialed in. I'm fishing in June and we have a beautiful sunny hot day. I find that as the temperature gets warmer and the fish tend to move offshore a little bit more, this is when the bite really picks up. On this particular day, we had some cold water all the way through the water column, except for maybe the top 40 feet. That was pretty warm. So these fish were used to chasing hard through most of the water column, which was just a perfect storm. Haven't had a video in a while, so I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I think that you'll really like it. Peace. Oh my god. Oh my god. You've got to be kidding me. Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh. What just happened? That is how you catch a salmon while you're flying a drone. I can't even believe that happened. Oh, you don't see that every day. Hey guys, so we just caught a really nice lake trout. I'm gonna go through what I'm using here. Pretty simple. You gotta have the right stuff though. This is an 1.5 ounce bucktail jig. My good friend Victor Papais ties these. You can see the jig, it's all white. He does 4 wraps to get that much hair on it. And man, are these things durable, I love them. Then for leader material, I'm just using 12-pound fluorocarbon. I run about 20 feet of that, guys. The water's really clear out here and I don't want the fish to see my braid. I use high-vis yellow all the time. I love to be able to see my line jump, see where my line is when I'm doing this kind of thing, because I want to see if I'm straight up or down, if I'm off to the side, that kind of thing. I'm using my electronics today. You can see the fish come up and smoke the bait. Guys, great day out here. It's about to get rocking hot. I'm gonna get back, catch a few more fish. Yes! Got him. On the way up. Really wanted to play with it, that one did. Oh yes. Awesome fish. Yes. You can tell this is a good fish, good solid fish. It'll be a big solid fish, that's for sure. Feels heavy. Feels real heavy. I'm gonna say this is gonna be a big fish, guys. Oh yes. He feels ultra heavy. Usually when they play around with it down there too, it means that they're big. When I got my 26 pounder, it behaved just like that. There are some huge fish here on Lake Ontario. We're lucky here in the Niagara region that we can target these fish most of the season. Right now the fishing is just starting to get really good. I see some big bubbles from this fish, guys. It's gonna be a good one. Oh yeah. Wait till you see the size of this lake trout. Wait till you see the size of this lake trout, guys. Yes. Yes, are you serious? Are you serious right now? I'm flying the drone. I got this big monster lake trout. Jig is gone. Yes. That's what I'm talking about right there. Right there, awesome lake trout. Okay, I'm gonna get him on the floor. I'm gonna get him back in. So that somebody who comes fishing with me can catch this fish another time. See you later, buddy. Man, that is awesome. Interested in getting out on this awesome lake trout bite, feel free to send me an email at hookedonniagara@gmail.com or hit me up on Instagram at hookedonniagara. We can get you set up and get you out here on Lake Ontario chasing these monster lake trout on the jig. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Enjoy.